I stopped using my physics textbook
completely.
Replaced it with one free AI tool.
My teachers don't know. My parents don't know.
But my grades improved by 18 points.
Here's the tool and how I use it better than a textbook.
Here's the problem with textbooks.
They're boring. Written in complicated language. Explain things once.
If you don't understand, too bad.
Read it again.
Still confused?
Figure it out yourself. Textbooks don't adapt to you. They're one size fits all. But students aren't one size fits all. We learn differently. We need different explanations. Textbooks can't do that.
AI can. The tool is ChatGPT.
Free version. No subscription needed. Here's how I use it better than my physics textbook. When I need to learn a topic, I don't open my textbook first.
I open ChatGPT. I type, explain Newton's second law like I'm 12 years old.
Simple language.
Clear examples. ChatGPT explains it perfectly.
I understand the basics.
Then I ask, now explain it at high school level. More detail.
Some formulas. ChatGPT adapts.
Gives me exactly what I need. Then I ask, create 5 practice problems harder than my exam.
ChatGPT generates them. I solve. Get 3 wrong.
Ask ChatGPT to explain my mistakes.
It does.
This entire process?
20 minutes. Versus reading my textbook for 2 hours and still being confused.
Here's why AI beats textbooks. First, personalization.
Textbook explains photosynthesis one way. If you don't get it, stuck.
ChatGPT.
I can ask for 5 different explanations.
Visual.
Simple. Technical. Story-based. Whatever helps my brain understand. Second, instant answers. Textbook confusing? You're stuck until next class or until you find someone to help.
ChatGPT.
Instant clarification.
Ask follow-up questions unlimited times. Third, practice problems on demand.
Textbook has 10 problems. You finish them.
Need more practice?
Out of luck.
ChatGPT.
Generate 50 more problems. Adjust difficulty. This is revolutionary. My results after 2 months using ChatGPT instead of textbook. Physics grade went from 74 to 92%.
Why? Because I finally understood concepts.
Not just memorized formulas.
I could explain why things work.
Not just how to calculate. My understanding deepened. But here's important.
I didn't completely abandon textbooks. For diagrams, I still use my textbook.
For official formulas, I verify with textbook. For understanding and practice,
ChatGPT wins. It's not either or.
It's both. Use textbook as reference.
Use ChatGPT as teacher.
That's the winning combination. Here's how you start today. Pick your hardest subject. One you struggle with most.
Tomorrow, don't open textbook first. Open ChatGPT.
Ask it to explain the topic you're studying. 3 ways. Simple. Medium.
Advanced.
See which explanation clicks. Then ask for practice problems. Solve them.
Ask AI to explain mistakes.
Do this for 1 week. Just 1. Compare your understanding before and after. I bet it improves dramatically. This is personalized learning. This is education's future. And it's free right now. Comment below which subject you'll try ChatGPT for first.
Physics, Chemistry? History?
Let me know. I'll reply with specific prompts for that subject.
And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy, where we show you how AI is changing education forever.
See you next video.